If your Google Play Store icon suddenly disappeared from your Android phone, there are two distinct reasons why this happens, and fixing it takes less than 60 seconds. First, let us look at the most common scenario, which is accidental removal from your main display screen. When you touch and hold an app icon on your device, it gives you options like remove or uninstall. If you accidentally tap remove, the app is not actually deleted from your phone. It was simply hidden from your main grid. To check this, swipe up or swipe down from your home screen to open your full app drawer. Scroll through your installed apps or use the top search bar to find the icon. Once you locate it, press and hold down on it with your finger until the quick menu pops up, then tap Add to Home. That instantly places the shortcut right back onto your display where you want it. Now, if you searched your entire app drawer and the icon is completely gone, that means the system app was disabled. The important thing is that Android does not allow you to completely uninstall default system applications like the Play Store without rooting your device, but it will let you turn them off. When you turn off or disable the Google Play Store, you immediately lose the ability to download new applications, update your existing apps, or run automatic background security scans across your phone. In my case, I accidentally tapped Disable while clearing out old storage settings, which froze all my background app updates until I turned it back on. To re-enable it, open your main device settings app by tapping the gear icon. Scroll down to where it says Apps or App Management, depending on your phone brand. Click on that menu item, then tap See All Apps so you get a full list. Everything here is organized in alphabetical order, so scroll down to where it says Google Play Store and tap on it. At the bottom of the screen, you will see a button labeled Enable. Click that button once to reactivate the application. Now, that goes both ways. Once you turn it back on, your phone resumes running automatic security checks and downloading pending app updates in the background. Finally, back out of your settings menu completely. The app icon will not automatically pop back onto your main layout after being re-enabled, so swipe up to open your app drawer one last time, press and hold the Google Play Store icon, and tap Add to Home. I hope you found this video helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.